SOLUSD is the crypto pair we are about to analyze right now. Why SOLUSD? Because this crypto pair is about to give us a nice trading opportunity that we can potentially be capitalizing on. And on that note, I say welcome traders. Before we go into this analysis proper, first of all, there is disclaimer explaining that trading foreign exchange, the crypto trading market, and the global financial market is considered high risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Please seek the advice of an independent financial advisor, and this webinar is for educational purposes only. Alright, straight to the business of the day, and we can see clearly from the monthly time frame of this cryptocurrency pair that we've just been exploding to the upside. Now, the question we want to ask is exactly when will this impulse stop? Why? Because we know that no market continues to go up forever and ever. There is always a time when a market has to retrace. A healthy market a healthy uptrend actually has to make a correction before another continuation to the upside. So we do still expect that at some point in time this market should make a correction at least to the 382 Fibonacci level, taken from the low of this impulse to wherever the high of this impulse will be. So we are trying to find out if this market is at the high, or if there is still a possibility of this market right now to go to make further gains to the upside. Going down into the weekly time frame, we can see here clearly that in all this move to the upside, there is only one candle here which is not related to this move, which is this area. Therefore, this area is also a strong demand area. But we do see clearly that from here just been having a nice impulse to the upside. So going down into the daily time frame now, this is where things begin to look interesting and begin to be clear for us. Now we can see here that from this impulse to the upside, when the market got here, we had this a rejection from this area. So this area is actually a strong resistance area, and there's a basic rule in the market that says any resistance after being broken to the upside becomes a support. Therefore, this resistance here, now that the market has broken to the upside, this area is now acting as a support, and we can see here how that the market has made a nice impulse to the upside and made a correction. Therefore, what we should be expecting next is another impulse to the upside. So the monthly, the weekly, and the daily time frame all are showing a direction for more continuation to the upside. So how do we approach this potential longing opportunity that we have here? Now, if we take our Fibonacci on this 4-hour time frame, starting from this low to the high of this impulse, we can see here that from this place, from the low there to this high, what we do have is a nice 382 and 50 fib level aligning at this area, from which we could possibly begin to see that impulse to the upside to our first target area, which would be at around 40. So exactly when are we going to enter this trade is what we are trying to find out right now. Now if we look into, let's go down into the 1-hour time frame. I think it's clearer there. Now we've definitely seen that impulse to we've definitely seen that break above this we've definitely seen this break, and we've seen the correction here. Now what we are looking for is the next impulse to the upside. So if we go into our 1 hour time frame now, and we'll take our trend line and draw this counter trend line from here down here like this. We can see how that the market has now, after breaking above here and making this pullback, we have now drawn this trend line here to help us indicate whether the market is now back above, is now back in a bullish market. And we can see clearly here that it's actually made the impulse to the upside and has just tested this trend line. Therefore, this is the area where we should be looking to go. This is the area where we should be thinking of going long. So this is the perfect area for going long. Now, if you take a longing, if you taking a position here, then the potential stop loss area would be this area here, like this area, and our potential profit area will be just a second. I think first of all I would have to withdraw that Fibonacci one more time from the low here, from the low here to the high here. We can see our first target area, which is 40, 42, and up there at 45, which is the minus 618 Fibonacci level. This area here is our potential profit area. Alright, that'll be it for SOLUSD. If you do have any questions or any comment, feel free to drop that on the commenting section. Cheers for now and have a lovely time, people.